Welcome to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and sample case of Doctrine of Agency by Estoppel. Let's dive right into it. The doctrine of agency by estoppel, also known as the doctrine of apparent authority, is a legal principle that deals with situations where a person or entity, the principal, is held liable for the actions or representations of another person, the agent, who, in reality, may not have actual authority to act on behalf of the principal. This doctrine is based on the idea that if the principal creates the appearance of an agency relationship or allows others to believe that such a relationship exists, they should be estopped, prevented, from denying the existence of that agency to the detriment of innocent third parties who reasonably relied on that appearance. In simpler terms, if a person or organization leads others to believe that someone is their authorized agent, even if that person isn't officially authorized, they cannot later deny that agency and avoid liability for the agent's actions when innocent third parties have relied on that representation. Application. The doctrine of agency by estoppel can arise in various contexts, such as business transactions, contracts, and dealings with the public. It is particularly relevant in cases where someone reasonably believes that an individual has the authority to act on behalf of another person or entity due to the principal's actions or representations. Sample case. Let's consider a hypothetical example to illustrate the doctrine of agency by estoppel. Case: John owns a small retail store named Tech Haven, which sells electronic gadgets and accessories. John's cousin, Mark, visits the store frequently and occasionally helps out without any formal agreement or compensation. While John is away on vacation, Mark takes care of the store and interacts with customers, as he has done in the past. During John's absence, a customer named Sarah visits the store and inquires about purchasing a laptop. Mark, without consulting John, informs Sarah that Tech Haven offers a special discount on laptops for that day only. Sarah decides to purchase the laptop, relying on Mark's representation of the discount. After returning from vacation, John discovers that Mark mistakenly gave a discount without his authorization. John refuses to honor the discount and demands the full payment from Sarah. Feeling deceived, Sarah sues John for the discount, arguing that Mark appeared to have the authority to offer the discount on behalf of Tech Haven. In this scenario, the doctrine of agency by estoppel may apply. Even though Mark didn't have actual authority to give the discount, John's previous actions and representations allowed others to believe that Mark was an authorized agent of Tech Haven. Sarah, as an innocent third party, reasonably relied on this appearance of authority and accepted the laptop with the understanding of the discount. As a result, John may be estopped from denying the agency relationship and could be held liable for the discount. It's important to note that the application of the doctrine of agency by estoppel may vary depending on the specific facts and circumstances of each case. Courts will consider factors such as the principal's conduct, the agent's actions, and the reasonable beliefs of third parties to determine whether the doctrine applies. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.